So guys, today we are heading to the Qatar. There's a place called Oxygen Park, and to access this Oxygen Park you have to exit from Qatar National Library metro here. That one is also on the green line. So when you exit right here, you will find Qatar National Library just in front of the metro. What? Like for real? Man, this one is amazing. This one is amazing. So I'm gonna be walking around here and I'll be heading to wherever I am heading. So they told me there's a tram that can take you to the Oxygen Park. There is a tram that can take you to Oxygen Park. So wish me luck. Otherwise, it's a walk. I see here there is this post. It shows you the information. Then parking 1, that is the academy parking. Parking 3, Oxygen Park parking. So we are on the right track, guys. We are on the right track. So I'm gonna be exiting from here. Yes, we are on the right track. Even here you'll see some directions that will be showing you where you are heading exactly, just as you see here. Yeah, so the green part, is it green, bluish? That's what is indicating wherever we are heading. So Oxygen Park, here we come. Yeah guys, it's quite sunny, and I moved with an umbrella. You know, it's very quite funny, or like it's very rare, like in such kind of weather or atmosphere, to find a man or a male human being moving with with an umbrella. Most of them, they just walk like that, you know, but mostly it's the women. The women are the ones that move around here with umbrellas. So I said, you know what, that's a no for me. That is a no for me. So from here, where do we head to? Where do we head to? I'm gonna trust my instincts. So yeah, we are on the right track. We are on the right track. So guys, this is me with my umbrella. Don't laugh at me. It's quite sunny, like it's so bright outside, you know. And then as you walk around, you're sweating. It's a no jokes, guys. It's no jokes. And you know, these places, they are good to come and visit during day, because during day you get to see so many things, you know. You get to see so many things. Night is also good, but the problem with night is one: the lights can kill your view, you know. The lights kill your view at night. Like, you have that excitement and, you know, of that good looking atmosphere. But during day, boss, you get to see a lot of things, even far away, you know. You capture a lot of details. So that's why I prefer to move during day than in the night. Okay, night wouldn't be bad, but day is the best place for you to go? Well, they told me there's a tram somewhere. I don't know where we can board from. I don't know. Because this tram can take you for free until the area where you're going at the oxygen park. I don't see anybody I can ask around here. Oh, yes, yes, I see the tram, I see the tram, I see the tram, I see the tram. Boss, I see the tram, I see the tram. Oh my, oh my God. It has just left me, guys. It has just left me. Oh my. I don't know when it will come back. Oh my God. Yay. I see a tram has just left me, man. Yo. Like what? So, guys, we are in Qatar National Library. This is the building you see right here. QNL. And then there's also Qatar Foundation, guys. This Qatar Foundation post for the bus. I think staffs who work there wait here. Qatar Foundation. For me, I'm moving freely. Oh. Aye. And the way I'm sweating, guys. Pray for me. I'm sweating. So guys, this is the view of this place. Very wonderful place. Very, very wonderful place. Where do you wait for the tram, first of all? Huh? Where do you wait for the tram? Because I don't know where you wait for the tram for sure. I can't tell where you can stand and wait for the tram. It has just passed here a few minutes ago. Tramway. People are not allowed to cross. No bicycles. So guys, where do you wait for the tram? I can't tell. You know? Pray for me. Yo. Oh my God. Pray for me, guys. Let me cross here. Oh my God. Oxygen park? Where is the oxygen park? Ha! Hey! Guys, I don't know if the tram will stop where or where it's gonna stop. I can't tell. But I was told it stops and it takes you. But I don't know. So guys, pray for me. Hey.